I'm from Industrial Alliance, which is an insurance company based in Quebec City. Our core business is life insurance, so it's a bit different than P&C, because when you buy P&C, first it's mandatory. You have to buy an insurance for your home, or you have to buy an insurance for your car, and it's every year or every frequently that you have to buy an insurance. When you talk about life insurance, it's way different. You don't have to buy a life insurance, it's your own decision, but also it's a long process. You don't wake up in the morning and say, well, I'm going to buy life insurance today, and then you buy life insurance. And usually you don't cancel your life insurance, so you keep it for life. So that's a bit different process, but it's still talking about data. So artificial intelligence is always interesting. We had a definition early today, and I think it's interesting to see what the official definition from the Canadian dictionary. It's talking about capacity to computer to simulate or surpass intelligent human behavior. So it looks pretty simple, quite simple when you read that. However, what is human intelligence? What is your definition for human intelligence? That's quite hard. So if you look at this one, you ask the question, is that AI or no? You might say, no, it's not AI. So why this is not AI when this is AI? It was supposed to be the first AI machine during the Second World War. So basically, it's quite interesting to see that it's hard to make a big definition of this word that is kind of a buzzword today. So I would say don't focus on the definition, focus on the value that it can bring. Focus on the fact that it's able to read and see user vision. Focus on the fact that it's able to understand how humans speak words and make some sentences. And beyond the words, to be able to understand the concepts that are behind the words, to make a big definition of that. And also, it's possible to analyze a huge amount of data, which is probably the most interesting for us, to be able to manage data coming from different sources. So basically, as one of famous writers said, you don't care about, never mind about the bottle, as long as it gets you drunk. So don't focus on the wording of AI, on what it does, what it doesn't. Just focus on the value that it brings to the company. This is way more interesting for you, instead of focusing on is that part of the definition or no. As you know, we are in an industry that is based on data, so we have a lot of data. Basically, we've been using data since the beginning of our industry. So we have to manage with that. And today, if you see what's going on, is we're going into everything. We're getting into cars, into malls, into grocery carts, everywhere. As an insurance company, we want to be. We want to be because we know that there are a lot of data that are made here, and we want to use those data, collect them, and be able to run them. So that is very interesting to see that all the companies are going, but the big threat is it's not only insurance companies that are going there. You also have Walmart, you have IKEA, you have many other companies, that Amazon, they're not doing insurance. But since they know how to manage data, they're not coming on the market because they say maybe we're going to be better than them.